So work continues on the Orc freebooters. Started putting together some bits and pieces. I don't go crazy and build them all straight away, and I probably want to get some more bits and pieces, maybe the knobs kit or something to, kit bash and throw some different parts together, try and get some different ideas going. Um, but I was thinking about the different types of orcs in the actual commandos squad. Is it a squad? Well, whatever it's called, kill team. Um, the ones that are probably easiest to build out of the Flash Gits box are the Dakka Boy, the is it Sniper Boy? Sniper Rifle one. Dakka Boy, Sniper Boy, the Rocket Boy. I could probably make like a rocket launcher. Burner Boy, I'm not sure about. And there was another one. Basic Boy has a slugger, so maybe I can do something with that. I might make the Knife Stabby Boy out of one of the pirate bodies, so he's got like the nice open coat, because otherwise it's behind the guns and you don't really see it. But using the different pieces, and there's lots of pieces in this Flash Gits kit. So this is a mock-up of what's going to be the Dakka Boy, as represented by the ridiculous amount of ammo feeds and chains and bolts just flying everywhere, and him unleashing all the ammo. It's just blue tack together. And again, that's him on a 32mm base. These actual Flash Gits models, when they're Flash Gits, are supposed to go on 40s, but they look fine on the 32. And he's got the nice little sort of handkerchief on his head. Still going to have all the shoulder pads and bits. I'm probably going to have to paint these in sub-assemblies, because the gun and the gun arm obscures so much of the body. And there's so much to the gun. It's probably bigger than the Orc itself. I want to spend a great deal of time on that. So that's Shooter Boy. And for Sniper Boy, start putting together a gun that looks, well, none of them really look like sniper rifles, but it's got a scope sight on it. Slightly less obscene than the Dakka Boy over there. And I thought it would be quite funny for your Sniper Boy to have an eye patch. And of course, there's a targeter squig in the box set, which lines up nicely. So using little bits and pieces, I think I'm going to quite easily be able to denote what some of the specialists are within the crew, kill team. So that's the beginnings of the Sniper Boy. But to give you an example, the Rocket Boy, although there aren't many sort of rocket bits, there's a few. Let me see if I can find them here on the sprue quickly. It's not on that one. So there's some ammo feeds that look like little miniature rockets. Where's that gone? There's one. So there's kind of like some rockets there. There's another one somewhere else. Similar kind of thing. And also the boss poles or banner poles, whatever you want to call them. Some of the glyphs have got certain designs. And one of them's a rocket design. There we go. So the Rocket Boy will get the rocket design. And in fact, some of the weapons there, you can probably just make it out there, have got little rocket symbols on them as well. So there are parts that you can put together to tell a story. Similarly, that's part of a gun. There's like a fuel canister, so that could be part of the Burner Boy. And there is one small kind of flamethrower nozzle on here somewhere, but it's only one of the small ones. There it is. Kind of looks like an Imperial Flamer. I was looking at the Burner Boys kits, and actually all burners, they look a bit weird. They're just sort of pipes with a spike on the end, like a pilot light. Oh, there's the other rocket bit. But there's some lovely details. There's a nice set of bits to make an energy-based weapon, which might be useful for the comms boy for his funny kind of shock gun. Although I've got an idea for that. Look, this guy's got a robotic, not a peg leg, but a bionic leg, kind of sort of. Very nice. And the one that's sort of intended to be the captain has got the coat. Got the long kind of pirate coat. And he's got a nice open torso. So I don't want that to be disguised by a gun. So this is probably going to end up being the, I think it's the Slasher Boy, isn't it, with the sword? Because there's a bionic arm with a cutlass there. Just need to source a right arm with a sword. There's so many great things. Look at that boot with the bone sticking out of it. That's awesome. Nice piratey bit there, going yar. Very cool. Yeah, there you go. Quick update. And I'll probably do these little videos maybe 2 or 3 times a week, depending on how much I get done. That just looks so cool. That is so cool, isn't it? Love it. Excellent. Right. See you next time. Bye bye.